Remember when HIIT was everywhere? It seemed like every fitness influencer and gym was pushing high-intensity interval training as the ultimate solution. It promised fast results, a complete transformation in record time, with maximum effort in minimum time. The idea was simple. Push yourself to the absolute limit for short bursts, then recover and repeat. We jumped, sprinted, and pushed ourselves to the limit, all in the name of efficiency. We were chasing that post-workout high, believing that more pain equaled more gain. But now, in 2025, the fitness world is shifting. The landscape is changing and people are re-evaluating their approach to exercise. People are stepping away from the relentless pace of HIIT. They're seeking something more sustainable, something that doesn't leave them feeling completely depleted. The constant exhaustion and risk of injury have caught up with us. The body can only withstand so much high-impact activity before it starts to break down. Many are tired of feeling drained after every workout. They're realizing that fitness shouldn't be a constant battle against their own bodies. We're realizing that fitness shouldn't mean burning out. It should be about building strength, endurance, and overall well-being. The HIIT hangover is real. Mentally and physically we're worn out. We're starting to understand the importance of rest and recovery. The conversation is changing. It's not just about burning calories fast, it's about nourishing our bodies and minds. We want routines that support our bodies and minds for the long haul. We're looking for longevity and vitality, not just a quick fix. Sustainable fitness is about balance, not punishment. It's about finding joy in movement and creating a healthy relationship with our bodies. More people are choosing workouts that make them feel good, not just exhausted. They want to leave their workouts feeling energized and refreshed, ready to tackle the day. The focus is shifting to mental health, joint health, and consistency. Burnout and injury aren't badges of honor, they're signs to change course. They're signals that we need to listen to our bodies and adjust our approach. This new mindset is transforming how we move and how we think about staying active. It's about finding a sustainable and enjoyable way to incorporate movement into our lives. The fitness landscape is evolving, and it's for the better. It's a move towards a more holistic, sustainable, and enjoyable approach to health and well-being. Let's rewind the clock a bit. HIIT, high-intensity interval training, was once hailed as the ultimate fitness hack, a revolutionary approach to exercise. Short bursts of all-out effort, pushing your limits to the max, quick rests, repeat, sprint, recover, burpees, repeat. It was undeniably tough, pushing you to your physical edge, but that was precisely the appeal for many. HIIT promised big results, a complete body transformation in just 15 or 20 minutes. No gym needed, just your body and a bit of space. It fit perfectly into busy lives, slotting seamlessly into packed schedules and felt accessible to everyone, regardless of fitness level. The science was compelling: better heart health, improved cardiovascular function, faster metabolism, enhanced fat-burning capabilities, and the famous afterburn effect. You'd finish a session, completely spent, and keep burning calories long after. The endorphin rush was addictive, a natural high that kept you coming back for more, and social media loved it. Sweaty selfies, showcasing the hard work, and challenge videos created a global HIIT community. It wasn't just a workout, it was a lifestyle. HIIT stood for efficiency, maximizing results in minimal time, power, and a no-excuses attitude. We all wanted to get fit, fast. But as the trend exploded, becoming a global phenomenon, so did the pressure to always go harder, push further, and achieve more. The culture of more is better took over. And that's where things started to shift, as the initial benefits became overshadowed by potential drawbacks. So why are we moving on from HIIT? Its intensity is both its strength and its downfall. Going all out all the time just isn't sustainable for most people. Injuries became common: bad form, muscle strains, joint pain. Burnout set in both physically and mentally. Overtraining led to fatigue, poor sleep, and stress. Instead of feeling energized, many felt constantly drained. The pressure to always perform at 100% created anxiety, not motivation. New research shows our bodies need variety and recovery. Chronically high stress from intense workouts can backfire. Now, we want exercise that supports our well-being, not just our waistlines. The focus is shifting to self-care, balance, and enjoying movement again. As HIIT cools off and people search for more sustainable fitness habits, steady-state cardio is making a significant comeback. It's stepping back into the spotlight as a reliable and enjoyable way to stay active. Think jogging, a classic for a reason; cycling, whether outdoors or on a stationary bike; swimming, a full-body workout that's gentle on the joints; or brisk walking, a simple yet effective way to get your heart pumping, what's now commonly called Zone 2 training. It's all about keeping a steady, manageable heart rate, not pushing yourself to the absolute limit every time. Aim for 30 to 60 minutes of consistent effort. You can easily hold a conversation, making it a great way to socialize while exercising. Enjoy the process, without feeling completely exhausted afterward, and gradually build endurance over time. Steady cardio strengthens your heart muscle, improving its efficiency, and significantly improves your body's ability to use oxygen effectively. It's considerably easier on your joints, reducing the wear and tear, and substantially lowers your overall risk of injury. Mentally, it's often meditative, a chance to disconnect and be present, giving you time to clear your head from daily stresses and effectively reduce stress levels. Unlike HIIT's frantic pace and demanding nature, steady cardio gently calms your nervous system, promoting relaxation. It reliably boosts those feel-good chemicals in your brain, leaving you feeling happier, more relaxed, and ready to take on the day. New trends like the comforting, cozy cardio movement and innovative hybrid routines are rapidly taking off in popularity. People are finding balance by mixing a little HIIT for intensity with more gentle, longer sessions for overall well-being. The ultimate goal is to create a routine you genuinely look forward to, not something you dread. It's fundamentally about finding joy in movement and rediscovering the pleasure of being active again. So, HIIT or steady cardio? Both have their place. HIIT is great for quick, intense sessions and breaking plateaus, but overdoing it leads to burnout and injury. Steady cardio is the champion of consistency and mental well-being. It's gentle, sustainable, and great for building a fitness foundation. The downside? It takes more time. The best approach isn't choosing one. It's blending both. Like a balanced diet, variety is key. Mix HIIT's intensity with steady cardio's endurance for the best results. The future of fitness is personal and flexible. No more one-size-fits-all routines. Listen to your body, mix it up, and make movement a joyful, lasting part of your life. That's the new path to health and happiness.